Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Python objects that evaluate to true in comparisons. Introduction. In Python, every object has a Boolean value associated with it, which is either true or false when evaluated in a Boolean context. This means you can use objects in conditional statements, such as if and while, to control the flow of your program. In this tutorial, we'll explore how objects are evaluated as either true or false when compared, and we'll provide code examples to illustrate this concept. Python Boolean evaluation. In Python, objects can be categorized into two general groups when it comes to Boolean evaluation. Objects that evaluate to true. Objects that evaluate to false. Code examples. Let's explore some code examples to illustrate the above concepts. Conclusion. Understanding how Python objects are evaluated as either true or false in comparisons is essential for effective conditional programming. This knowledge allows you to write cleaner and more readable code by taking advantage of the inherent Boolean nature of objects in Python. Whether you're working with built-in types or creating custom objects, you can harness the power of Boolean evaluation to make your code more expressive and efficient. ChatGPT. Title: Python objects that evaluate to true in comparisons. Introduction. In Python, objects are often used in conditional statements to control the flow of your program. When you use objects in conditions, Python evaluates them as either true or false. In this tutorial, we will explore different Python objects that evaluate to true when compared and provide code examples to illustrate how this works. Boolean true and false. Python has built-in Boolean values, true and false. These values evaluate as you would expect. Non-zero numeric values. Numeric objects such as integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers evaluate to true when they are not equal to 0. Non-empty sequences. Sequences like lists, tuples, strings, and dictionaries evaluate to true when they are not empty. Non-empty sets and dictionaries. Sets and dictionaries also evaluate to true when they are not empty. Custom objects. You can create your custom objects that evaluate to true by defining a __bool__, or __len___ method for your class. This method should return true or false based on your specific criteria. Conclusion. In Python, many objects can be used in conditional statements and evaluate to true when compared. Understanding these rules is essential for controlling the flow of your code and making your programs more robust and dynamic. Whether you're working with built-in types or custom objects, Python provides the flexibility to determine truthiness based on your specific needs. ChatGPT.